Hey guys, welcome back. So now we've finished watching all the lectures, we've been through the summary. Now it's time to test your skills and see how much you've been able to retain and apply for our test. So I just want to, as a disclaimer, this is not a real personality test. I just took some random words, I put them together. So this is just for fun. So don't get offended if you turn out to be a goal-oriented, innovative, warm person. If you're not those things, I apologize in advance if you're not those things. So what you're going to have to do for our example is exactly the same as what we did for our case study. Now, the reason I made it the same rather than throwing in a little curveball is this is quite a difficult topic by comparison to some of the other things we've done. So it should be at a great level for you to really test your skills. So it comes in three sections, just like it did in the case study. The first one, which is personality trait 1, you'll be using just a straight one condition if function. Okay? Personality trait number 2, here you'll be using a or function within your if function. And lastly, personality trait number 3, you'll be involving the and function in the if function if your age range is within the limits once again. Okay, so good luck. Try your best. If you're not sure, as always, go back to the lectures and see if you can find the solution. Alright guys, take it easy. I will see you soon.